Hey, I'ma start a beat, no holiday lecture. Roll up on soul food, never been no face. Never talking about the big boys, yeah, we had our own team. Shout out to Card City, Esquire, Kelly Green. Never knew it all day. Now sipping Brooklyn, making so fast, dude, it's gonna go ugly. Head up the DMV, post up the west side. Home of the mango, after boy, so loud. All the chocolate kids, moving with some real dudes. Top Bryan County, where these chicks even kill you. Back down to Ely Park, holla at my nigga more. They tell the city, give a year, yeah, I'm going hard. Yeah, I'm missing left, standing like, kinda like magic. See, shout on the six, let's let have it. Hey, look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. Hey, now this was wild, you can tell that I'm some train. Put your hood up, put your hood up, put your hood up, put your hood up, put your hood up. Hey, now I say you this, y'all say shit, yes, do this. I'm feeling so, when I say this, y'all say shit, do this. Hey, do this, tell me, yeah, and that's on the Lauderdale. I'ma head up the Lauderdale, throw the L's up, all the TNL, ain't nothing they can tell us. About to hit the 6 trunk, cause I know that bitch crunk. You know that heck I did, try not to get drunk. All off the deep side, we can down there block. We got 20 cars deep, about to hit the one stop. Moving down 19, headed to the upper fleet. Grab me a white tee, yeah, we about to hit the streets. Man, I got a gun man, that's one Sunland. I got the whole Bryan County in one hand. I hit the 54, I don't think they hear me though. Fuck it, I'ma do a big slide up the A4. This is what a nigga do, is handle what you gave a boo. About to take a trip to dealers, cause them niggas head proof. Fool down 20 sales, make them stop the mail roll. I laugh when niggas stuck, wait a lot of damn hoes. I'm from, this Emma City love every time I'm on the scene. Take a trip to Alpine, Florida with my nigga, yeah. Somebody said, Scrooge home, man, where that nigga at? Hey, I'ma take him to the Fletcher, holla at my nigga, no. This side, yeah, homie, glad you could be a part. Slide off the holiday, holla at my nigga D. Smoking on that man wood, this time it's on me. Yeah, they cover ranch, hold on, 50 cents. Shout out to me, I'ma be 50 rounds. Hey, shout out to the Hard Rock, Biggie Entertainment. I'ma take y'all to the club before I close it out. Let's do it, man. Let's do it, man. Yeah! Yeah! It's that cold, man. Homeboy, hey, I hit the club so fresh. Too long dead. Left the double broad with it. Blew a million on the jet. Real talk, I'm a vet. When you see a nigga starting, what you see and what you get, that's what you get. Yeah, that's what you get. What you get. Yeah, that's what you get. What you get.
what you get, maybe more or no less. If you really got beef with hater, get it off your chest. I'm without the way the mama about that ass, it got the truly standing tall.
With money in the air,
sipping drinks, we don't care. All the haters do is tell,
and that happens everywhere. But I wish a nigga had to try to
rock with me. You silly niggas slash to me, cause me in the trunk of me.
Pour another cup for me. T.I.P. come first, S.O.G. come first to me. Trust me, no company.
Purposely,
that Tootie's on the set and then I'll put you in a hearse. I hit the floor so fresh, too low deck. Got a couple wrong with me,
put me in on the check.
I take my
halo,
real talk,
I'm a vet.
when you see your homie stunting, what you see is what you get. That's what you get.
That's what you get. That's what you get.
That's what you get.
That's what you get. That's what you get.
That's what you get.
That's what you get. That's what you get. That's what you get.
That's what you get.
That's what you get. That's what you get. Come on.
Hey, big shout out to Biggie Entertainment. Sean, man.
Fletcher, how we do.